so I'm gonna give a review on the mini tub washer and spin dry. So the problem that I had the second time I used the machine was here with the water spigot, attaching it to the faucet. But as you see, I went to Home Depot. You can buy it on Amazon or whatever. It's a fastener that you just twist and keep it up. That way it won't slip off, because that's exactly the problem that I was having. As you can see, I'm kind of doing a load here, only because I live in an apartment, and you know, there's tenants that tend to take up all the washing time. And yeah, so I thought to invest in this little gadget here and see what we do. And so far so good. It washes. I love the spin dry portion of it because it actually spins. There's no water left in the clothes, and then I run to the laundry room and put my clothes in the dryer. So this part is excellent. Make sure it's all the way in on top of your clothes, pushed all the way down, not on top, because then you'll have a lot of banging noise. Make sure to have, here's your drain hose attachment, and when you're getting ready to drain, make sure you have a little bucket. As you see, I have a bucket here. Yes, use the floor. I haven't mopped the floor yet, so I will do that after I finish washing. But overall, it's sitting up. I have it sitting up on a board on a stand to keep it elevated and balanced. So it is working perfectly for me. So hopefully this video will help other people.